What keeps a smart factory operating reliably 24 hours, 7 days? It's not just electricity. It's how power is managed, distributed, and controlled. Introducing the upgraded SCU 8PT solution. Lower cost, reduced footprint. A redesigned rear bus bar layout reduces copper usage by 20% and decreases floor space by 60%. Faster on-site deployment. Integrated architecture, future-ready design, supports PCS deployment instead of traditional UPS systems, enabling seamless integration with energy storage and hybrid applications. Enhanced safety, streamlined maintenance, all critical operations are accessible externally, minimizing electrical exposure risk. Real-time system transparency, integrated with Siemens cabinet management and energy and carbon management platforms. Power data becomes visible, measurable, and actionable. Engineered for flexible deployment, supports higher outgoing circuit density, and adapts to complex industrial environments. The SCU Power Distribution Solution, engineered for modern smart factories.